Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of NFT Rex upcoming projects. And so for tonight we have two projects. One is a particular PFP project and the other is full-on metaverse with land and everything. So stay tuned. I'm Lesa, this is NFT Rex. Let's go. Okay, so let's start with the metaverse one. It's called Dystopia. And Dystopia is an expansive metaverse coming to you soon from dusk to dawn. Discord is closed as usual nowadays. And check out the white paper at dystopiamedium.com. Definitely will check it out. There is some valuable information there. So 3.5k followers and they joined in December. So the following is not growing that quickly, but what I've seen, this looks beautiful, even though the following is not that great yet. It has the potential. When you check out some of the art and how it all looks, it will possibly get you interested. This is all kind of unique and cool. I really like it. They are quite active on medium.com and there is a white paper. We should go there first. So I'm just gonna go to roadmap firstly. So there are 5,555 Genesis lands collections, and later in June there will be a drop of 1,111 extension lands and even 9,999 Dystopia avatars. Okay, and VR properties simulator. Okay, this looks fun. I really hope they manage to make it all happen. I mean, it is kind of a complex tokenomics, but definitely worth reading if you are into that kind of plots of land and anything in the metaverse. So it is a classic dystopian story. There was something that happened and 80% of people had died, and it's just a full-on dystopia from there on. They do have a website, but from dusk to dawn is coming soon, so nothing yet on a website. Just some really interesting art happening here, and you can get the links for their Discord, Twitter, and the Medium. So I don't know, I really wish this project kind of turns out to be really good. So guys, check it out. Links will be, of course, down below. And this is finally a project for us who haven't been so kind of genetically blessed with perfect symmetry of our faces. Yeah, that's what scientists say beauty actually is. So it is for ugly people, and it is 10,000 ugly people let loose on the blockchain. Okay, so Discord is still close, but they do have a huge Twitter following. It is 84.9k followers, so a really big following. The art is, I don't know, I like this kind of art. It is very much unique and there is no other project that I can relate it to. I say, oh, it looks like this. No, this is unique. This artist is really good. It takes a lot of creativity to make anything like this. And what is the story behind it? There is going to be some fundraising and volunteer work. I mean, okay, this is ugly people. They're fighting for something, and I'm sure it's not kind of plastic surgery. I mean, that does not make you more beautiful, and they agree with that. They say, okay, beauty is inside of every person, and they want to emphasize on that. So kudos, guys. Okay, oh, this one is kind of like Bane from Batman. At least it resembles Bane to me, but it looks really cool. I'd love to have one of these. Following is pretty decent, 3.5k almost. And here you can see the art. I mean, they're all so different, so I don't know, pick your favorite. And the person behind it is this guy. He has almost 100k followers. He is an artist. He's quite young, it seems to me. And he looks like a rather fun person, not taking stuff seriously. So I think this is really good for the project. And I'm gonna follow him. Here is his Twitter. Okay, so the artist is obviously pretty doxed, and so is the developer, OX Studio, and a lot of experience already in Web3 and 20k followers. I don't know, I think this project can do really well. Their website is coming soon. Here you have links for Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Discord is sadly closed. They open it once in a while, but officially it has been closed. So I don't know, good luck with getting on their Discord. Isn't it beautiful when you see people making things out of dystopia and ugly people, something so beautiful. Yeah, I'm really happy to see that. And these two projects, I think, have a really bright and beautiful future. But of course, do your own research. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and may the odds be in your favor.